This is one of India's first ground plus one 3D printed villa. Did you print this house?
Yes, we did.
Do you mind giving us a short tour of the house?
Of course, 3D printed villa is made by a 3D printing technology where you have these layers of concrete that is pumped in. If I am to explain it in a simpler term, nothing simpler than that, it can be like making a jalebi. Now look at this design. This definitely is not possible with conventional villas that we make. And if you look at this part is actually squeezing the waves in. Even some other villa, I want some other design. I just have to make some tweaks in the software of the villa.
And are there errors in the 3D printing process?
Of course. Somebody is making a mehendi and there is an error. They can just
Before it dries.
Before it dries and then make it again.
And what would be the shelf life?
Shelf life is equivalent to what normal villas would be like.
Big height.
Yes. So you can see that we have retained some of the elements of this construction. So it gives the identity to the villa.
So what is the carpet area of this
Carpet area is around 2038 square feet. Today in our country, everybody is obsessed with sunroof, whether it be cars or SUVs. So why not bring it in homes as well?
Guys, this is the future 3D printed homes. This villa is inside Godrej Eden Estate, which is a huge plotted development project in Hinjewadi Phase 1 Pune. Do check this project out and do reach out to these guys if you want to construct a villa for yourself.